Hi guys, welcome back to another video. Today we're gonna use my favorite loadout and I want to show you why it's a really good one. So if you know the burst, it does like a lot of damage. Yeah, I know, I'm like playing against a pro. See how I did 50 damage. I lost, like I cannot do anything to that, you know? But like the burst rifle, it does a good amount of damage, I would say. 57 if you hit all shots. Yeah, like see, those people can like only spray, like it's really annoying. Or we can do this. I literally hit him. Like, see what I mean? Like you don't even aim. So let's maybe try this. Oh yeah, I forgot how. Oh yeah, I'm cooked. Like see, he can only spray. See what I mean? Like it's not even cool. So yeah, guys, we maybe have to use See, he didn't miss. Ain't that just like? Look how sus. Like he didn't even aim. Like that's not right. I'm not even gonna say anything. Look, like see, nah, something ain't right. But still, today the video is about the burst rifle, daggers, knife, and warhorn. So if you all know, it does see 57, 75. I mean, on the head. So yeah, like I love this. Why? Because you can let it do this and just run. Because with assault rifle you have to like do this the whole time. Like hey, with this you can just go boom and just run. When you're out of ammo, you can like use warhorn for speed and momentum. And the dagger's like for double jump and momentum too. Like it's really good. I feel like really good with the knife like me, but not like in a match because he was like really annoying. You can do this, then just slide back. Let me do it again. See? Or you could do this along, but like that would be very annoying. Okay, so this is like the parkour where you can trade for. Oh wait. See, I like to do this. But then you could also use, warhorn for this for your knife too. Let's go to this. You need to speed, momentum, and then you can do bam. See? And that's actually how you just use it. But like it's really great. It's not my favorite one. But like I could use a assault rifle. Wait, let me try. Okay, see? Like I'm not like a really fan of this one. Oh, see, like they literally nerfed it. It's like not even fun if you nerf a gun. That's so good. Like that's just a pain. But yeah. So yeah, let's go to the burst rifle again. Like let's see how far the bullets can shoot. So first we're gonna try, how far is this? 25 feet. 57, 75. Ooh, 67. 57. On 100 meters, on 100 stars away. Let's do 125. Oof, wait, let me try again. 47. 37. 27. That's the farthest, I think. But we can like go farther if you want. For the content, we have to go for. Oh no. But wait. You guys didn't see that, okay? I'm not even gonna cut that out. Alright. Alright, now we're here. Wait, maybe let's go just one further. Alright, we're here. Let's see what the headshot is from here. 18. You could like stand a bit further. Still 18. We need to go like real far. Maybe this is far enough, but like I cannot see them. So I have to like make a jump. I think 11. 18 still? There's no way. 6. Okay, that's like the farthest I can go. But yeah. Oh yeah, and if you guys want to make a thumbnail like I did, use this box. Like you have to just like stand in here and just make a screenshot and like cut out the green. But yeah. So yeah, everything I shown you is just to tell you guys how good the burst was. But like yeah, I really love the burst. Like it's my favorite weapon in the game. But you know, let's talk about something else. About the update. I like want to know what's coming. A summer fun. Complete task to unlock reward at free summer. Yo! We can literally get a free skin case. Like in my country, we cannot buy a skin case. So I will get a free one. Like, damn, that's nice. Wait, what? Let me show you all my weapons though. Assault, bow, burst, crossbow. I have like, yeah, almost all the guns. Except for these 3, these 2, these 2. But yeah, this is like a really fun one. Because they don't know where it's like standing. Wait! Can I like finally buy? No, not that. Yeah, I can buy the Axel gun. Wait, I need to buy that one. I saved up for it. Now I have it. Like you guys could see, I did not use Robux. You know what? Let's do a good one on this. Ooh, that looks like original almost. You know what? I will take that. No skin. Damn. Let's do this one. Oh yeah, if you guys want to like 1v1 me, just send your new username in the chat. I will add you. You have to add me back. I will 1v1 you. So yeah. So see you guys in the next video. This was about to burst. So bye. Good night.